guys, this is Phon-Er. This is vlog 130. I'm at North Hollywood at this place called Dalmar Cleaners. I'm here to fix my cousin's iPhone 6 white. So we'll see how it goes. It should be a fun repair. He kind of damaged his screen and the touch is not even working, so he's without a phone and he has to be in commission, so we gotta take care of him. And my car is still on, by the way. This Prius is like, they can be on the whole time and you won't even notice that it's on. Look at that. On. Hey guys, I'll see you there. Going in right now. Here's the one. But your power up button works. That's a big plus. This is when I show the thing, the model. Then let's keep it like that so you can have better. Done? Hey guys, I just fixed that iPhone 6 screen for my cousin at his dry cleaners, and he was happy. Everything works. He can actually, he's back to commission and he can actually work and go on about his days. So that'll be all for vlog 130, guys, and we'll see you in vlog 131. Thank you for watching. It's Phon-Er, and that's a cut and a wrap.